after sleeping for good 3 hours, I was recharged enough to go down, have my dinner, and wanted to hang out a bit outside with my crew. Weather thandi hai and I love winter, so I just could not stop myself from going out. And yep, that was the view. It excites me till date. So the wheel, I always wanted to go in the wheel, and this time I was going. So here I'm waiting for my food, and I don't know, single burger took so much of time, but anyway, I was excited. Burger was not so tasty, but yeah. Hey, say hi. Since I always wanted to go on the wheel, I'm going inside the wheel. Let's see. Yep. All it's only for exit. Done? Done. I'm so excited. Last time also when I came here, I wanted to go, but my partner denied. See,
You got a good partner today.
for coming with me. I love you. Want me to record you?
All times, and make sure your hands and feet are inside at all times. Feel free to open or close the windows, it's up to you, but just be careful because it's near your head, yeah? All good?
See, the moon is so pretty. Oh my god. I wish our camera could capture the way we are seeing it. Just look at the moon and this blue. Amazing. How was your flight?
The flight was good. I mean, the passengers were nice. I don't know. I expected something worse, yeah. But it wasn't like. But it was just that my cabin shoes was very uncomfortable, very tight. Acha, all my toes are hurting. All to buy.
I hate kajal. I don't like kajal in my look, but I have to. It's mandatory, but it just washed down my entire look. I hate kajal. I would like to tell you guys one secret. I don't know, matlab, is it right to call it secret? But I have never done my eyebrows. Like coming into aviation industry now, so I have to get my eyebrow done because I never wanted to do it. Eyebrows are like good in shape, so I don't wanted to do it. But when I came here, I had this big doubt. But when I started going for my job without doing my eyebrow, nobody noticed because I line it. I make it perfect with my eyebrow pencil, so I do it nicely. It's never obvious that I've not done it. Neither if they are too bushy. So yes, I've never done it, and it works till date. So yep. My flight got delayed more and more. 27-hour का layover हो गया है मेरा. I slept for good 11 hours. I had to wake up for breakfast because पूरा दिन बिना breakfast किए तो मैं रह नहीं पाऊंगी. I also bought an apple from breakfast to have it. It's almost here 3 p.m. and I have not. Oh my god. Good morning. Oh my god. No sun, nothing. Anyway, that's the maximum light of this room. There's no, I have pressed all switch to see कि कोई और भी light हो छुपा हुआ. It's a maximum light. Be in washroom all the time just for good lighting. Done and dusted. 15 minutes is the max, not even 10 minutes is the maximum time I need for my makeup. Now I'm ready. I'm gonna get changed in my uniform and I'm about to check out from this hotel. Approximately 30 minutes. By the way, I broke one of the glass in washroom while I was drying my hair and it broke. And Australian people, they are really very strict about their equipment which they provide inside the hotel in the room. See, it just broke because of the glass was kept and I was drying my hair and it just broke. And I'm scared. I hope they don't ban me from Melbourne. I have heard many story crew does something like they just ban them to come in Melbourne only. So their visa, like there's something called, there's some document which has to be approved in order for you to travel in Australia, and that just, it's gone for those crew. So I'm scared, but let's see.